Understanding, value your skills, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, value your skills. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and give you some tips on how to incorporate it into your conversations. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding phrases like this can really enhance your English speaking and comprehension skills. Let's dive in. Value your skills is an encouraging phrase that emphasizes the importance of recognizing and appreciating your own abilities and talents. To value something means to recognize its worth or importance. In this context, it's about acknowledging the skills you possess and understanding their significance in your personal and professional life. It's not just about having skills, it's about understanding and respecting their worth. Valuing your skills has several benefits. Firstly, it boosts self-confidence. When you acknowledge your abilities, you're more likely to feel confident in what you can do. Secondly, it helps in career development. Knowing your strengths can guide you in making career choices and pursuing opportunities. Finally, it contributes to personal growth. By valuing your skills, you're motivated to hone them further and acquire new ones. Let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be used in everyday conversations. 1. In motivational contexts, you should really value your skills in writing. You have a natural talent for storytelling. 2. In career advice. In your job search, make sure to value your skills and choose a position that allows you to use them. 3. In self-reflection. I've learned to value my skills more and not underestimate my abilities. 1. Self-assessment. Take some time to list down your skills and evaluate them. 2. Seek feedback. Ask friends, family, or colleagues what skills they think you excel in. 3. Set goals. Use your skills to set achievable goals and work towards them. 4. Continuous learning. Always be open to improving and adding to your skills. Remember, everyone has unique skills and talents. The key is to recognize, value, and nurture them. We hope this video helps you appreciate your own abilities and encourages you to use them to their fullest potential. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't forget to value your skills.